Hi, this is Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging at Productronica India, and I'm here with Rajiv, who was the founding chairman of SMTA India, and we're going to talk about growth of SMTA in India and also the Indian market in general. So, welcome, sir.
Thank you, Keith. Thank you for having me here.
Okay, so first easy question, how is SMTA doing in India?
Well, SMTA is doing pretty good. Why I say that is now it has been 10 years of its inception when we started in 2013 September, and we are growing and we are almost 40 plus members right now, and we are growing organically. You know, we don't want to grow spontaneously or exponentially, but we want to grow organically and make it right. But answering your question, it is doing pretty good.
Okay. And you're able to get over the advantages of the SMTA to the Indian market?
Yes, we are, because as we all know that Indian electronics manufacturing market is growing exponentially and is a high growth market, as we all know, globally. And from that perspective, SMTA India will definitely play a key and a vital role in the coming days for sure, because electronics manufacturing is not easy. It's a very challenging as well as a cumbersome process, and every day the engineers and the process engineers will have some kind of challenges that they will face, and SMTA is there to support and help them throughout their manufacturing activities.
Okay, so you're getting involved in the infrastructure, which is growing, as you say, very rapidly at the moment, and the important thing is to keep enough people who want to be trained as engineers to come in to effectively feed the pipeline.
That is absolutely true, and then to add to that is SMTA will play, as I mentioned, vital role, because we will continue to conduct technical events which would help both in person as well as through virtual events, which would definitely help the process engineers in the electronics manufacturing.
Okay, so good things ahead for SMTA in a market which everyone says is going to grow more than any other in the next 5 years.
That is absolutely true, and we are looking forward to that, yes.
And for your personal role at the moment and going forwards?
Well, from SMTA perspective, I am a VP of membership of SMTA India chapter. My continuous attempt is to bring more and more very valuable members who can add more values to the association as well as to the industry. And on my personal growth, India is again high growth market, and I am focusing more and more on the Indian market because it's exploding. The market is exploding, and there is definitely a lot of opportunities, even though I might play a little bit slow down, because since I've been in the industry for more than 30 plus years, and but I will be here to give more and more inputs to the upcoming engineers, the process engineers, and whoever wants to learn more and more on the electronics side, yes.
It's always great to hear when what I would describe as the elder statesmen of our industry are still willing to give back and help those that are coming through.
Yes, absolutely true, because electronics is my passion as well as the music is. So I always, try to help the people who would need some help in terms of electronics, in terms of anything that they are looking forward to, yes.
Okay, so my last question, just tell anyone who is within electronics why they should get involved and become part of the SMTA.
Well, it's a fantastic question, and as I mentioned, I am a VP of membership right now, and why it is important is I would rather even tell the students, we have a student chapter as well, as India is a very high skilled country, I would say, because we have thousands of students graduating in the field of engineering, and if our engineering colleges focus on the final year electronics engineering students, they can start, educating themselves, in terms of what is SMT. SMT is surface mount technology. They need to know that. As soon as they graduate, definitely I invite people to join SMTA, that is Surface Mount Technology Association. The reason being, you are automatically are helping yourself, also your company you work with, and also the company you are serving, with your electronics knowledge, with your electronics background. And I strongly suggest you should join SMTA and serve the society in the electronics field.
Perfect message, sir.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you for sharing that and everything else, and thank you for giving your time to me today.
Thank you very
That's
much.
Keith Bryant from Global SMT and Packaging at Productronica India, signing out. Thank you very much.
Thank you.